Okay, we're at the launch. Pretty nice launch. They looks like they improved it a little bit. Been here maybe, I don't know, 5 years ago. Last video was 7 years ago, so stay tuned. See if we can catch them. Well, first time using the pedal drive on this thing in a long time, and it feels okay, except it feels a lot more crowded in the boat than it should be. Hitting wires when I pedal, you hear the clicking noise. What a pain. So we're going to go to the north side of the lake, try to minimize the effect of the wind. And so stay tuned. Okay, we're going to first cast here. We're going to try fishing some of these lily pads. I got my yum dinger with a blue weight. See how this works. It's okay, but it was on a square bill crankbait. It's a little small, but I'll take it. Gotta be careful because I don't have grippers today. My pliers froze. Are you kidding me? My pliers are frozen. Sorry I didn't get a chance to show you guys. I left my pliers in the boat. These are not my, let me wash these off a little bit. Oh man, I'm gonna have to grease these things up. Do I have spray with me? No, I don't. Oh, they'll work. I'll get another pair. These are good because I can cut the hook if I have to with these. Well, let me show you what I caught it on. It was a nice square bill crankbait. Sorry if you have to look into the sun. And it was in open water. Oh, that back hurts. Take a few more casts out here before we go back. Okay, I think you can see this. We're going down a little channel. It takes us to a little blocked off canal. And I'm going to pull up the rudder. Hold on. Okay, so the rudder's up. I don't want it to get snagged. And you'll see, this is not as tough to get through as it was at one point. See if I can see the fish finder. It says it's 6 feet right now. Four and a half feet. This was only about, at one time, about 6 inches. I'm not kidding. We were able to work our way through it. It was tough. And right here it's 4.5 feet. So it's, water's up. The pond in our neighborhood is about, I said about 6 feet high. And this clearly is about 4 feet high from its low point. Back in here, there's some nice fish in here. I know a guy caught an 8-pounder in here off the bank. I saw he had a video years ago. Oh, there's some movement. See, I'm scaring the fish on my way back in here. I don't want to stay in this canal. I don't like it. Channel rather. I worry about alligators back here. But we'll see how it goes. I'm not going to put the, I'll just paddle around here. I'm not going to use the pedal drive. Oh, okay, I got one. Nice one, nice one. Oh, don't get lost in those. Don't get stuck in those weeds. I think I got you, I got you, I got you. Yep, still got you. All right. Oh, he's on those lily pads. He's in those lily pads. He's in those lily pads. Did I lose him? Nope, still got him. All right, didn't show you the last one, I'll show you this one. All right, throw that out there for a minute. Put a measurement on him. I don't think he's 12 inches. Oh yeah, just 12 inches, how about that? All right, that's two. They're not the biggest, but I'll get them. So I switched to one of my favorites. If you can't tell, I like June bug. It's a June bug finesse worm. I think I even have June bug trick worms. I don't know where they are though. Didn't take any with me today. So it's a trick worm. I mean finesse worm. I gotta get some trick worms with me. Oh, there's another one. Oh, he's feeding. He's feeding. Well, this is a little guy. He was nipping at where the line went in the water. He was hungry. So when the worm came by, he just snatched it up. But look how tiny he is. That's number 3. He was making a racket. But the only way to get bigger is if they eat, right? So they gotta eat. Again, my strict one, finesse one. I rarely do because it's so thick. With lily pads. Oh, might have something. Might. Yep, got something. Another little guy, but fun nonetheless. Stay still. It's number 4. So I'm only going to have one GoPro in a little bit. What happened was, got the cable wet, plugged it in anyway for the external battery. I don't take extra batteries because they're plugged into an external battery. The cable fell in the water and plugged it in, and the camera started making a racket. It still works, but I just have to dry it out when I get home. I'm still in this little canal that's accessible only through that little channel, but the water's so high I could see over the dead bushes. Oh, I can see the main lake. Oh, I got another one. How about that? Got another one. Got another one. Oh, I lost it. Wasn't paying attention. Talking and not paying attention. Let's see if I can get him. Okay, coming back to the Yak after I went to get my trolley, kayak trolley, and I caught 6 bass and 1 panfish. I was trying for panfish at the very end, switched to an itsy bitsy minnow, and caught 2 bass on the minnow actually, and then 1 panfish. So had a little bit of a mishap. I broke the mount for my fish finder. Was able to see it though. Kicked it when I was getting into the kayak. So other than that, I had a good day. So here's the canal. You can see that you launch at. Takes you right out to the pond right over there. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.